Hello children, welcome to another lesson. We thank God for a beautiful day. I'm sure you have all been going through the work we have been doing. We have learned sound R to Z. We have learned a lot, and even today we're going to learn more as we practice through our sounds. Before we start, I would like all of us to stand up and make space. I want us to sing a song and have fun and enjoy. Kindly stand up, children. Get ready. Sing along with me. In a cottage in the woods, a little old man by the window stood. So a rabbit hopping by, knocking at the door. Knock, knock. Help me, the rabbit said, before the hunter shoots me dead. Tush, come little rabbit, come to me. Happy we shall be, and happy we shall be, and happy we shall be. In our previous lessons, we've been able to make simple words from simple sounds. Here we can see sound Y for yam. Y for yam. Children, say together, Y for yam. Sound T for tap. T for tap. Children, say it with me. T for tap. Children, sound J for jug. J for jug. W for web. Say it together with me. W for web. Children, D for dog. D for dog. Nice. Those single sounds were able to help us make simple words. The word egg. Egg. The picture of an egg. The word mop. Mop. The picture of a mop. What do we use a mop for, children? We use a mop for cleaning the house. You wet the mop and wipe the floor. Cot. Cot. Children, a cot. A small bed for babies. Beautiful. Pin. Pin. This is a safety pin. You can use it to fasten one side to another. One side to another. Children, let's say the word pin. Pin. Beautiful. Let's clap for ourselves, children. Children, today we're going to learn a new sound. Actually, we shall recall a new sound. Sound K and H. Make sound Ch. Say it with me. Ch. 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 When K meets H, it says Ch. 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 When K meets H, it says Ch. When K meets H, it says Ch, Ch, Ch. When K meets H, it says Ch, Ch, Ch. Very good, children. That is sound Ch. When you take sound Ch and you add O, P, let's say it together. Ch, or P. The word chop. Chop. Like chopping firewood with an axe or chopping something with a large panga or a knife. Chop. Chop. Ch. Ch. E. P. S. Ch. E. P. S. The word chips. Chips. I believe all of us love chips. Yummy food. Ch. Ch. E. The word chin. Who knows what's a chin, children? Touch your chin. The chin is this part of the body. Chin. Chin. Very good, children. Ch. A. Ch. Remember, sound R is silent. Say it with me. Ch. A. Ch. The word church. Church. All Christians go to church to pray. Lovely, children. P. A. Ch. Sound T is silent. It doesn't talk. Say it with me, children. P. A. Ch. The word patch. For example, when your dress is torn, we can put a small patch to seal the hole. Very nice, children. Ch. Air. Ch. Air. A chair. We sit on a chair. T or ch. Sound R is silent again. T or ch. The word touch. Touch. Children, there are more words to read. Looking behind me, we have words. Sh. We can read them once together. Teacher. Teacher. Say with me, children. Teacher. Coach. Coach. Very good. Chop. Chop. Chest. Chest. Touch your chest. The upper part above the stomach. Chest. Chick. Chick. A baby hen. Chart. Chart. For example, a number chart, a sound chart. Cheeks. Cheeks. A part of your body on your face. Touch your cheeks. Some people have chubby cheeks. Others have cheekbones. Teacher Frankie has cheekbones. Chin. Chin. A part of your body below your lips. Chin. Chalk. Chalk. We use a chalk for writing on the blackboard. Bench. Bench. a long seat. Almost looking like a table, but it's shorter than the table. Church. Church. A place of prayer and worship. Chain. Chain. An ornament. So children, we are going to use the words that we have read to make simple sentences. Number 1, we are using the word chips. I like chips. Read with me, children. I like chips. Well done. Our next sentence. Chop the wood. Again, children. Chop the wood. Our next sentence, number 3. The torch is dim. Read with me, children. The torch is dim. Now, we're coming to the end of our lesson. I will give you words. You will use them to make your own short sentences. Remember, the more we make sentences, the more we know the meaning and how to use the words appropriately. Read the words with me, children. Ch, I, n. Chin. Again. Ch, I, n. Chin. Ch, a, ch. Church. Ch, a, ch. Church. Ch, I, k. Chick. Ch, I, k. Chick. More words for our assignment. Bench. Bench. Watch. Watch. And lastly, teacher. Teacher. Children, use those words to make short sentences and then post them to me so that I can know whether we have understood or not. Before we finish our lesson, I would like us to sing a song together so that we can enjoy and also recall our letters and sounds. Get ready, children. The ABCD song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Sing with me. Bye-bye, children.